All right, so we're at the lunch stop for Avantoberfest. I forget the name of the mountain in New York, so you'll pardon me. But people are just kind of rolling in. We're in the e-tron, climbing up this hill. I just had the hood open because everybody else did it, so you can see our charger. But climbing up into this mountain, we blew through like 15 miles of range in about, I don't know how many miles. So hopefully we'll recuperate all that coming down. Again, Avantoberfest is every year this weekend. It takes part. It's part of or they take part in a beer and foliage festival in Stratton Mountain, Vermont. But we're currently still in New York State, kind of hugging the Massachusetts line. On our way up, it's mostly Audi Avants, a mix of Audis thrown in, plus some Volvos, some Mercedes this year. These replica wheels look like the Prologue wheels.
I haven't touched 200. But then I was like, maybe. It was like 1 degrees. Big class over here.
So people are still rolling in from the route. It's a lot of cars, so we don't all get to ride together. Saw this one at Lime Rock this morning. It's a wrap. Made it look like Osmarina Blue. Don't think he's on Avantoberfest, that guy, but this one is. The blue one is. I meant that is not. That's okay.
What happened here? Did this all fuck up?
Pardon the shakiness. I'm zoomed in and not on any sort of stabilization more than the phone. The gimbal is buried somewhere in the car and we don't have time to mess with it, so apologies for the shaky picture. And again, we just put our hood up, because everybody else did, but no engine. That's the on-the-road charger, backup charger. So anyway, that is the lunch stop for Avantoberfest. I'm going to drop off because we're going to have to head out of here shortly and find a charger in Bennington, I believe. So, very cool event. If you haven't attended, you really ought to. This is our second year, and we'll always come back if we can because it's fantastic. Anyway, that is it, and more to come later from Stratton Mountain, Vermont.